Hello, Learning Genie users. For today's training, we will be going through our Data Hub Assessment Progress button on Learning Genie. The Data Hub is a great way to see an overview of how the classroom, site, or agency is doing for completion for the DRDPs. This can be accessed at all levels, so teachers can access this, site administrators, as well as agency admin and agency owners. The Data Hub can only be accessed on Learning Genie's website. To get to the Data Hub, all we do is we log on to Learning Genie on the computer and go up to Data Hub Assessment Progress. This is where you can toggle between multiple classrooms up at the top. If you want to look at all of the classrooms or all of the sites, you can see that up at the top here. Or if you just want to see one particular classroom and one particular site, you can do that as well too. From here, it will give me an overview as to how this classroom is doing for completion for the DRDP assessment. I can see the number of children in the classroom, the number of families that have onboarded, the total number of portfolio notes I have for that specific classroom, the average notes per measure, as well as a pie chart progress for observing all the measures and rating all the measures. If you are using DRDP reports, you can also see how many students have been locked on Learning Genie. We will go through locking in a different video. When I scroll down, I can see the data for each child in the classroom. Here I can see Alex Alligator has 11 observation notes, 1.5 average notes per measure. It looks like for this child, I have observed 21 out of 43 measures, and I have rated 16 out of 43 measures. The number of days left is going to indicate how many days left that child has for that specific rating period, and the due date for that specific rating period. Right now, Alex Alligator is on the spring 2022 active rating period. So I still have 190 days left to complete the portfolio assessment. Down at the bottom, it looks like I have one child who is currently active on the fall rating period. This child has 43 days left of the rating period, and the due date is on December 31st. Most likely, this child enrolled late into the classroom, so that's why the due date is different than the other students in the classroom. If you have any questions about any of our features on Learning Genie, you can call our customer service at 760-576-4822 or email us at help@learning-genie.com.